Hi guys, I am Isha Shah Rose. I have created this video to promote author Isha Shah. Isha is the author and writer. She has completed her graduation from the one of the best universities at United States. She is author, inspirational speaker, writer and publisher. Till now she has written 8 titles of her books which are following: Fashion Diaries, Fashionista, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, Mindfulness and Stress Relief, Be a Dreamer, Confidence Produces Strength, Positive Affirmations, The Magic of Thinking Big, Give Rise to Faith, and Precious Daily Insights. You will find all of our titles on Amazon.com website by searching Aisha Shah, and the spell is AESHASHAH. Guys, my today's broadcast is all about create positive difference in the world. Guys, it's about author Aisha Shah's second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me, which targets each and every age group of the people around the world, and I am providing short preview of her second book, Inspiration Me, I Choose Me. September 11. Beauty is the promise of happiness. A man must not deny his distinct talents, for that is to void his commitments. Heaven grant us forbearance with a man in love. Nature engenders the science of painting. A mixture of admiration and pity is one of the surest recipes for affection. September 12. Family is the most supreme thing in the world. Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of a reward, safe in the knowledge that one day someone might do the same for you. I like to be a free spirit. Some don't like free spirit, but that's the way I am. Nothing brings me more happiness than trying to help the most vulnerable people in society. September 13. So many people supported me through my public life, and I will never forget them. If you find someone you love in your life, then hang on to that love. Life is just a journey. I knew what my job is. It is to go out and meet the people and love them. Anywhere I see suffering, pain, distress, and hardship, that is where I want to be, doing what I can to help suffer ones. September 14. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Only do what your heart tells you. Every one of us needs to show how much we care for each other. You must learn in the process of caring, care for yourself. People think that at the end of the day, a man is the only answer. Actually, a fulfilling job is the better one to me. September 15. Actually, when you are happy, you can forgive a person with a great deal. But learn forgiveness through Creator without jealousy. You can't comfort the afflicted. You can't comfort through afflicting the comfortable. I just want someone to be there for me, to make me feel safe and secure. Hugs can do great amounts of good, especially for children. The kind words and love from the public have carried me through some of the most difficult periods. I am extremely grateful that always your love and affection have aided my journey. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I own nothing of author Aisha Shah. Each and every copyrights are under her authority. I purchased her 8 book titles, read it and inspired my life. And I wanted you guys to do not miss out on reading these beautiful books. You guys will love it. For more info, check link below. See ya guys, take care. I love you all. Have a great moments of your life. May God bless you all. Amen.